Introducing the CPR training kiosk, CPR Station. CPR Station is a kiosk with a structured CPR training process, allowing anyone to easily learn CPR. CPR Station consists of video and scenario learning, CPR quiz, practice mode, and ranking mode. The data generated during kiosk use is linked to a dedicated cloud service, allowing administrators to monitor usage and easily perform maintenance. Video and scenario content is provided to ensure that even beginners can quickly and easily learn accurate CPR. After completing the learning session, you can take the CPR quiz to check if you've properly understood the theoretical content. For each question you answer, the correct answer and explanation are immediately displayed, helping you learn the concepts correctly. Practice mode allows you to perform CPR directly on the sensor-equipped mannequin. It provides real-time feedback on the depth, speed, and recoil of your CPR actions. Ranking mode is a gamified evaluation mode where the more accurately you perform CPR, the faster the survival gauge fills up. After practice mode and ranking mode, you can press Export Results and scan the displayed QR code with your phone to receive your CPR results on your mobile device. With the CPR Station, not only can you learn CPR on your own, but you can also enjoy learning it with friends and family. A single CPR Station kiosk can support up to 4 mannequins. When multiple users perform practice mode together, each can receive individual real-time feedback and final scores as results. If you participate in ranking mode together, you can compete in real time to see who finishes first. After ranking mode ends, you can identify the winner based on the displayed scores. CPR Cloud is a remote management service that syncs with the kiosk in real time, allowing you to monitor usage and data at a glance. Even if the kiosks you manage are spread across different regions, you can manage them all at once through CPR Cloud. On the main screen, you can view daily, weekly, monthly, and total cumulative usage, as well as check the real-time status of each device. By adjusting the filters, you can obtain data on which users frequently use each kiosk, usage patterns by time, and which features are most commonly used. In CPR Cloud, you can check the status of the station and the connection status of the mannequins in real time and send messages or describe issues to local administrators. Additionally, with the built-in real-time remote control application, you can directly operate the kiosk or diagnose its status remotely. If the kiosk is connected to an online network, you can receive continuous update notifications on new features and guidelines, as well as easily access remote technical support and management. Operate a self-learning program with the CPR Station kiosk for easy and fast complete CPR mastery.